Now, vitamin C has been a very popular skincare ingredient in its own for the past few years and for all the good reason. But the question, the main problem lies in here. Which vitamin C serum should you use? How to use it? Where to get it from? What exactly is vitamin C serum? What are the real benefits of vitamin C serum? Who should stay away from it? Who should use it? And all of it. And in this video, we are going to cover every single thing, so stick till the end. So what is vitamin C? Well, topical vitamin C is a very potent antioxidant which provides many benefits, like it protects your skin from free radical damage, environmental damage. It revives the glow on your skin, it boosts collagen production and also brightens your skin in the long run. It also reduces dark spots, hyperpigmentation, it also helps fight fine lines, and it also helps reduce inflammation on your skin, which makes it sort of a very good anti-aging ingredient, and in the long run it will give you a very nice, radiant and bright and vibrant skin. If you're confused what free radicals are, it's basically something that is produced by UV rays and pollution, and it causes oxidative stress on your skin, which leads to your skin getting aged faster, looking dull. But note that vitamin C or any other active ingredient out there is not an overnight miracle. Any of these things will only provide you good benefits if you, number one, use the right product, and number two, you're using it consistently. Now, who should use vitamin C serum? Well, if your skin is quite dull and lifeless and if you want some glow on your skin, use it. If you have a bit of acne marks, pigmentation and tanning and dark spots, use it. If you want to avoid the chances of getting fine lines or signs of aging on your skin, use it. And lastly, if your skin tone is kind of uneven and not evenly distributed, then use it. If you have acne, pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and all of this, or say like post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, then vitamin C may not be the best, as salicylic acid is the best for acne, blackheads, and whiteheads, and alpha-arbutin, tranexamic acid, or glycolic acid is the best for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation or such severe situation. But again, there are some folks who should be a bit more careful around vitamin C serum. First, if your skin is extremely sensitive or if you're going through, say, very bad acne phases, then maybe try patch testing and introduce vitamin C of lower percentages gradually into your skincare routine. But apart from this, if your skin is normal and is kind of good to go, then you can use it almost daily, twice a day in your morning and night skincare routine. The percentage, well, pick up something that's either minimum 10%, 15% or 20%, because those might work for you very well, and use them every single day. There are some ingredients with which you should not mix vitamin C, such as glycolic acid, alpha-arbutin, AHAs, BHAs. So I would say you avoid mixing those ingredients with vitamin C, use it alone, top it off with a good moisturizer, use a good sunscreen in the daytime, and you're good to go. You can use the other ingredients maybe alternatively on other days when you might not be using vitamin C, and I think that would suit a lot of people very well. Now, the most important part, which vitamin C serum should you buy? The shocking part in the Indian market is that a lot of vitamin C serums, that small brands or the cheaper ones, they don't have potent vitamin C into it. So whenever you buy vitamin C, you look in the ingredients, there should be L-ascorbic acid. L-ascorbic acid is the only potent form of vitamin C. Some brands just mention lemon extract, amla extract and stuff like that, and it is not the actual potent vitamin C. It will not give you those vitamin C benefits. Also look for a dark bottle packaging because they are easier to store, because once your vitamin C serums bottle comes in contact with sunlight, daylight, or in like some bright visions, if it's getting exposed to light a lot, then it will oxidate quite quickly and it will just not give you enough benefits at all, and your vitamin C serum might go bad in just a week or so. Number one is minimalist 10% vitamin C serum. In this one, you get two options, two variations. One is just vitamin C 10%, and the other one is vitamin C 16% with ferulic acid and vitamin E. Now, the first one is best for beginners, if you're new to vitamin C serums, and the second one is best for people who are experienced with actives or who want to jump from 5 to 10% to more percentage of vitamin C serums. Then this one would be great. The best thing is that minimalist vitamin C serums are kind of 86% pure vitamin C, and they are formulated for UV protection. And I have been personally using them for a very long time, I would say since they launched, and the results are quite favorable. The second is Dermaco 10% vitamin C serum. This one comes with the deep penetration technology. That means that this one will go deeper into your skin to give you more benefits of vitamin C serum. This one also has ferulic acid, which was in the 16% vitamin C serum of minimalist. Well, ferulic acid helps very well to fight with free radicals, so it's a plus point. And also best point I would say for this serum as well, the minimalist one, they were suitable for all skin types. And vitamin C serums in general, you just need like 3 to 4 drops maximum. So 3-4 drops on your skin, spread it well, let it absorb, and then put on your moisturizer and sunscreen, and you're good to go. The third one is Plum Vitamin C Serum, which is of 15%. This one is quite popular. It has Japanese mandarin, which gives also more benefits of vitamin C, along with the original L-ascorbic acid. Suits all skin type. This one is also good for people who have stubborn dark spots and acne marks, and it's good for all skin types, easy to use. Then the fourth one is Claire's Vitamin C Serum. Well, this one is a bit pricey, but this Vitamin C Serum is the IT Vitamin C Serum. This one comes in a 5% formulation, so best for beginners and sensitive skin folks. Also, this one has Centella asiatica, which is a great ingredient to soothe inflammation or irritability on sensitive skin types on all of it. The bottle is transparent, which is the only drawback, because you might have to store it in a very dark place to make the vitamin C serum to last longer. But the benefits that you will get out of this vitamin C serum is very, very good. So more or less, I have tried these 4 vitamin C serums the most. They are quite good, they work quite well, so I would recommend it to you guys. And if you have any questions, doubts, anything, drop down a comment and I'll surely help you out. The links of all these vitamin C serums are tagged here and also in the description box below, so click on them, check them out and buy if you want. And again guys, this was it. I wanted to make a video on vitamin C serums, clearing all questions and basic doubts and answering every FAQ out there. So I hope I sort of did that. And if you like this video, then do drop a like, share, comment, subscribe, and it will really, really help me out. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and thank you so much for watching.